Do you understand English? But do you feel nervous when you speak? Do you want to speak English naturally? Do you want to use English every day? Then stay with me. Today, we will practice simple English sentences. You can use these sentences every day. Welcome to Daily Spoken English. Today, you will learn easy English. You will learn natural daily expressions. You don't need difficult words. You don't need complicated grammar. Just listen. Repeat after me. And practice every day. Let's start with your morning routine. Good morning. It's a beautiful day. I usually wake up at 7. I don't like waking up too late. I get out of bed slowly. Then I open the curtains. I let some fresh air into the room. I drink a glass of water. It helps me feel fresh. Then I brush my teeth. After that, I wash my face. I take a quick shower. Then I get dressed. I usually wear something comfortable. I check my phone for a few minutes. Then I put my phone away. I don't want to waste my morning. I like to start my day peacefully. What time do you usually wake up? Do you wake up early? Or do you like to sleep late? I usually have breakfast at home. I like a simple breakfast. I usually eat eggs and bread. Sometimes I have fruit. I also like tea in the morning. Sometimes I drink coffee. I don't drink too much coffee. I try to drink enough water. Breakfast gives me energy. After breakfast, I clean the table. Then I wash the dishes. I like to keep my kitchen clean. A clean kitchen makes me feel good. After that, I make a plan for the day. I think about what I need to do. I usually have several things to finish. I don't want to forget anything. So, I make a simple list. First, I finish the important tasks. Then I do the easier ones. I try not to do everything at once. One thing at a time is better. Do you make a daily plan? Planning can save a lot of time. Now, let's talk about work. I usually start my work in the morning. Sometimes I work from home. Sometimes I go outside for work. Before I start, I prepare everything I need. I keep my notebook nearby. I keep my phone on silent. I want to stay focused. I start with the most important task. Sometimes the work is difficult, but I don't give up. I take my time. I try to do my best. If I make a mistake, I learn from it. Everyone makes mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. I also take short breaks. A short break helps me feel better. I stand up and walk around. Sometimes I drink some water. Then I get back to work. Do you take breaks while working? You should give your mind some rest. Now it's time for lunch. I'm getting a little hungry. I usually have lunch around 1. I like eating homemade food. Today, I'm having rice and chicken. I'm also having some vegetables. The food smells really good. I'm looking forward to eating. I usually drink water with my lunch. I don't like to eat too quickly. I like to enjoy my food. The food is delicious. I'm really enjoying my lunch. I think I'll have some more. That was a satisfying meal. I'm feeling full now. I don't want to eat anything else. I think I need a short rest. I'll relax for a few minutes. I don't want to sleep for too long. I still have some work to do. It's already afternoon. The day is going by quickly. I have a few things to finish. I'll start with the most important task. I like to finish my work on time. I try not to waste my afternoon. Sometimes I feel tired after lunch. When I feel tired, I take a short break. A short break helps me feel fresh. I usually have a cup of tea in the afternoon. I really enjoy a quiet cup of tea. The tea smells wonderful. It's hot, so I'll wait a little. Now I feel much better. I'm ready to continue my work. I still have a few things to do. I'll finish them before evening. I don't want to leave everything for tomorrow. I'm almost done with my work. Finally, I'm finished. It's time to relax. I think I'll clean my room now. I don't like a messy room. I usually put things back in their place. Keeping things organized makes life easier. I'll start with the table. Then I'll clean the floor. Now, the room looks much better. I feel good when my room is clean. It's getting late in the afternoon. The weather looks pleasant. I think I'll go outside for a while. A short walk can be very relaxing. I like walking in the evening. Fresh air always makes me feel better. It's nice to slow down after a busy day. I can finally relax. I don't need to hurry now. I'm enjoying this peaceful moment. It's almost evening. I should head home. I have a few things to do before dinner. I'm feeling a little hungry again. I think I'll have dinner soon. Dinner is ready. Everything looks delicious. I'm ready to eat. I like having a quiet dinner. I usually eat slowly. I'm enjoying my dinner. The food tastes really good. I'm feeling satisfied now. I don't think I need anything else. After dinner, I usually relax. Sometimes I watch a movie. Sometimes I listen to music. Sometimes I simply sit and relax. Tonight, I think I'll watch a comedy. I like watching something funny before bed. It helps me relax. The evening is almost over. It's getting late. I should get ready for bed. First, I'll brush my teeth. Then, I'll wash my face. I'll change into comfortable clothes. I'll check my alarm. I need to wake up early tomorrow. I'll put my phone away. I don't want to stay up too late. It's time to slow down. I'm ready for a good night's sleep. Today was a busy day, but it was a good day. I got many things done. Now I can finally rest. I'm grateful for this peaceful evening. Tomorrow is another day. I'll start fresh tomorrow morning. For now, I just want to relax. I'm ready to go to sleep. Good night. Congratulations. You have practiced many useful English sentences today. Now it's your turn to practice. Listen again and repeat each sentence slowly. Try to use these sentences in your daily life. Don't worry about making mistakes. Keep practicing every day. With regular practice, your English will become more natural. If you found this lesson helpful, please like this video. Subscribe to Daily Spoken English for more easy English lessons. And don't forget to practice every day. I'll see you in the next lesson. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep speaking English. See you next time.